so good. What's up, y'all? Welcome back for Vlogmas Day 11. So today I am going to show you guys a really easy chili recipe. Super easy. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You probably got a lot of this stuff already here. So I'm just show you what you need. This is gonna be vlog style because honestly, I just don't feel like editing. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the whole voiceover and all that. So anyways, vlog style. Show you guys how to cook really easy, hearty chili on these cold fall days. This is what you'll need. Pinto beans. I usually do 2 cans of pinto beans, and then 1 thing of kidney, some tomatoes. You can do 1 or 2 of these. I might add another one just depending on how chunky the chili is looking. Some Hunt's tomato sauce and chili seasoning. If you don't have chili seasoning, all this is chili powder and cumin, I think. Where's that? Yeah, chili powder and cumin. And then onion, salt, and garlic. Yeah. So, you know, just experiment. And then, if you've been following the vlogs, we have been trying our hardest to do plant-based Monday through Friday, and then we eat what we want on the weekends. Today is a plant-based day, so I'm going to use these beefless crumbles. But, of course, for all you carnivores out there, you can do... When I use beef, I usually do 2 pounds of beef. 2 pounds of beef, or you could do 1, but 2 pounds of beef. And when you're cooking your meat for this chili, if you want to get it like fine like this, I'm talking about if you're using actual beef, put a little water in it when you're browning your meat, and it'll help the meat break down. So anyway, let's get started. So I forgot to tell y'all, I'm also going to be making some cornbread using this vegetarian Jiffy, and I'm just going to kind of veganize it. So instead of using eggs and milk, I'm going to use soy milk and a flaxseed egg. But yes, that is dinner for today. First, I'm going to start out. Maya's going to pour in these beefless crumbles.
That's all of it. And
Try to get it all in the pan. There you go. Good job, Maya. Good job. Ooh. Good job, Maya. Alright, so there's my... Oh, I was wondering why it didn't sizzle. Y'all don't forget to cut the stove on. Okay, so I'm going to season my crumbles with some salt, pepper. Actually, I think I'm going to go with... I'm going to do this Lowry seasoned salt. And I'm not measuring nothing, y'all. We're just going to pour it in there. And I recommend, if you're trying to go plant-based, or you know, just trying to get some more healthy meals in, here's some pepper. I do highly recommend the Garland brand. I've tried a lot of different beef crumbles, and the Garland is my absolute favorite. This is garlic salt. Alright, so we're just gonna let that start to cook. Meanwhile, we're going to get our tomato sauce started. So I'm going to pour in the tomato sauce, the beans, and the tomatoes while my meat is warming up. And if you're using the beef crumbles, they only take about 5 minutes. 5 minutes to cook.
5 minutes to cook.
And I'm not going to drain all of my beans. So this is undrained kidney beans. I'm using all that. I'm not draining. So pour that in. Pinto beans. Yeah, this really is like a dump meal. You know, one of those meals you just dump everything in and boom, you got chili at the... I don't know if I like the way that looked. What is the expiration date? Oh no, we good. That looked a little chunky. I got a little scared. Alright. The tomatoes. And one more thing of pinto beans, because I just love beans. I'm gonna drain this one though. I'm gonna drain this last can of beans, just because I don't want it too watery. All right, so there's that last can of beans. Y'all, why I keep forgetting to cut the stove on? There we go. Let me cut the stove on. All right, and that's pretty much it. We're gonna give this a good stir, and once it gets hot, I'm gonna add my meat, and then I'm gonna add my seasonings. And y'all, we're pretty much done. Like, that's how easy this is. So I'm gonna add my meat. Once I add my meat, I'll decide if I want to add some more beans. You know, you can make it as chunky or as soupy as you like. I like mine kind of chunky. That's just my preference. Alright, so now I'm going to add in my beef crumbles. Or if you're using, you know, just regular ground beef, you can add it at any point. And really, you can add your beef crumbles in here frozen per the package, but I never do that. Look, I actually let these cook a little too long. I never do that. I want mine warm before I put it in there. Alright. So, I don't know. I think I want to add some more pinto beans. Okay. Yes. Gonna add just another can of pinto beans because this is not chunky enough for my liking. I'm gonna drain this one though because I want it chunky, not soupy. Alright, so add some more beans. You can add black beans too if you like black beans. I like black beans, but not in my chili. I prefer pinto or kidney for chili. Anyway, so I'm gonna mix that up. There we go. Nice and chunky. I'm gonna let this simmer. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put my chili seasoning in there. I'm using this McCormick. And if you don't have this, do like, I don't know, a tablespoon of chili powder and a tablespoon of cumin. Add you some onion powder, some garlic powder, and you're good to go. If you don't have this pack, so just a tablespoon, and then, you know, do the taste test. If you want the flavor a little more intense, add some more cumin or add some more chili powder if you want more heat. Add some cayenne pepper if you want some heat. I can't do heat, y'all. I cannot do heat. Y'all, heat will have me, well, I won't be gross. But I can't do heat, I'll just say that. Alright, so we're going to let this heat up. And I'm basically going to bring it to like a boil. And then I'm going to let it simmer for probably 10 minutes. And then we're done. That's it for the chili. So for the cornbread mix, I'm going to go ahead and get my flax egg ready. So this is 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and 2.5 tablespoons of water. And I'm just mix that up, and I'm allow that to thicken for about 5 minutes. And because I'm impatient, I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator so that it thickens a little quicker. Now we're going to add in our flax egg. Should be nice and thick. That's about how thick you want it. So the only thing when you're using a flax egg to do cornbread is, you notice the flax egg is dark. So you're going to see little black spots in your cornbread at the end, but you cannot taste it. And actually, I'm gonna add some more soy milk because this is not the right consistency. So just add a little bit more. I think I added too much, y'all. Anyway. Oh no, this is good. Alright, so might have to add a little bit more milk to get the right consistency. It should be like pancake batter, in my opinion. Okay, so I have sprayed my dish with this Luana coconut oil non-stick spray, and I'm gonna pour my batter right in. And flax seeds are healthy. I forget what they do. You know, Google it, look it up. But it is healthy, so I like to add in some nutrition wherever I can. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to put that in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, this is how the chili is looking. Nice and hearty. Yes. And you can make this chili your own. You know, add some onions, some green bell peppers if you want. You can add some jalapenos, whatever, corn. I've seen some people add noodles to their chili. That's weird to me, but you know, whatever floats your boat. Okay, it's a dump meal. You just dump stuff in here. All right, and the chili is done. Yes. So now we're just waiting on the cornbread, and then after that we are ready to go. Dinner is served. Alright, so I just pulled my cornbread out. Now I'm going to put some of this, come on, focus, Earth Balance vegan butter on the top. Y'all, and I actually really like this butter. I like it better than regular butter. Alright, I'm going to just let that melt over. Y'all, that might have been a bit too much butter. I'm going to let this melt over the cornbread. Like so.
Okay, say hi.
You can say hey. Say hey to YouTube.
Hi.
Alright, so I'm just going to spread that out. And we are about to sit and have dinner. Y'all let me know if y'all try out this recipe. This very, very easy recipe. And we are ready to go.
Yay, I don't want you.
So I'm going to show y'all up close. Y'all see how you see like those little brown spots? That's just the flax seeds. But you can't taste it. I promise. It's going to be good. Give this a try. Give this a try.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all, that's how I like to eat my chili, y'all. I just throw the cornbread right in. Yes. It's so good. Oh my goodness. You are naked. Goodbye.
If I put my shirt on, Mommy.
You like my chili, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Do you miss the meat?
Mm-mm. Pinto's gone.
Yep, that's what I said.
Mm.
So y'all can add like vegan cheese if you want to. I honestly, I don't really like too many of the vegan shreds. I do like Chow brand, and I like the So Delicious cheese shreds. But yeah, I don't really do the vegan cheese too much. And this chili does not need it. I'm telling you, don't need anything. But if you want to, you can add cheese, sour cream, whatever. But yeah. It doesn't need it, I promise. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you want more vlog style cooking videos, let me know. I also have cooking videos if you like, you know, recipes and stuff over on my other channel, At Home with Tiffany. I have not uploaded a single video in 10 months, but I will be uploading in 2020. And I will see you tomorrow, hopefully for Vlogmas Day 12. So, y'all, it's going to be, I don't know if Vlogmas going to make it because we're going through some changes right now. Say what's up, Lando.
What's up? What?
Yeah. But I'm going to try to keep uploading. All right, guys. Peace, peace, peace.